WhatsApp's got some huge new updates. You can now edit and lock your chats, create AI stickers, send video notes, and so much more. So let me show you guys the newest tips and tricks for WhatsApp that you just gotta know about. So let's say you've got a message with a few typos. Now what you can do is if you just tap and hold onto that message, then tap on these three little dots, you will finally see this edit option. So now you can finally edit your messages and fix any nasty typos or just completely change the sentence altogether. But just keep in mind, you can only edit your message up to 15 minutes after you've sent it. Then another brand new feature not many people seem to know about is if you go into a chat's info section and scroll down, you'll see this brand new chat lock option, which you can toggle on and use your fingerprint to lock that chat. Now, when you go back to your chat tab, you'll see that that specific chat has vanished. But if you swipe down, you'll see this new chat lock folder. And if you unlock that, you will find your chat hidden in there. Pretty sneaky. Then another new feature I really like is actually quite hidden. So within settings under the chat section, in here you can now toggle on instant video message. So if you go into a chat and tap the mic icon, it changes to this little video icon. And now what you can do is tap and hold, then swipe up and record a super quick, cool video note instead of voice note. Once you've finished recording and sent it off, it'll show up looking a bit like this. And I just think this is so much cooler than voice notes. You can have so much fun with it, and they do have audio as well. Also, if you select this attachment icon, now you'll find this new option to create a poll, which is actually super handy for group chats and helping you guys make decisions with your friends and family. And you can even see who voted for what. AI has gotten pretty nuts lately, and now it's included in WhatsApp. Within the sticker section, you'll now see this new create button, and if you tap on that, it'll take you here where you can write down a quick description of what you'd like the AI to create, like a shocked chicken with big eyes. The AI will then take a few seconds and bam, you just got yourself a completely original sticker that's probably never been seen before, which is nuts. I mean, you can get really creative with this, have a bunch of fun, and let's just say things can get pretty wild. But besides AI stickers, WhatsApp is also releasing a bunch of other AI features like AI chat, kind of like ChatGPT, and even AI art where you can make it inside the WhatsApp chats. So make sure you sub and keep an eye out for those. But in the meantime, check this out. Now, because we pretty much have our entire lives on WhatsApp, we gotta make sure it's super safe. And the first thing you should do to make sure it's safe is go into your WhatsApp settings, then into privacy, and right at the bottom, you'll find this fingerprint lock option. Make sure to turn this on because now your entire WhatsApp app will get locked so that no one can get into it without your fingerprint. And this also works with iPhone using that super snappy Face ID. Back inside the privacy settings, you should also definitely check out this brand new option to start checkup. Basically what this is, it's like the ultimate privacy dashboard where you can find everything to do with privacy. Like this neat option to actually silence any unknown callers. Also, if you ever need to send a private photo or video to someone, like this personal document, make sure to tap on this view once mode. Basically, this will make sure that whoever opens up your video or media can only view it once and not even make a copy of it by trying to take a screenshot. But what WhatsApp can do is make a copy of you. Okay, now I'm not gonna lie, I actually had so much fun with this. Within settings, you'll see this avatar option where you can now create this little digital human version of yourself. So to get started, you just click on this button to create your avatar. You can either create one from scratch or actually take a photo of yourself where WhatsApp will create one for you, but the results weren't exactly great. But you can go and further edit it yourself and choose from different hairstyles, hair colors, face shapes, makeup, eyebrows, eye colors, even your body shape and clothing, plus a bunch of other things. You can literally recreate yourself into this little digital WhatsApp version, and there's actually quite a bit you can do with this avatar. But by far the coolest thing about these is there's this brand new sticker section made specifically just for your avatar. There are so many different ones, and of course they look just like you, but as you can see, some of them are even animated, and honestly just make your chat so much more fun and exciting. So I definitely suggest you check this out and make one of yourself. But what you can also use your avatar for is to set it up as a profile picture, just in case you don't feel like using a real photo of yourself. So cool. So So check this out. Let's say you have an awesome photo that you'd like to send to a friend. Well, what's new to WhatsApp sharing is now you will find this HD icon. And once you select it, you'll actually be able to choose what quality you'd like the photo to be sent in. This also works with videos, and it's just such a super nifty addition to WhatsApp, especially compared to how photos and videos used to get compressed like crazy. And another new nifty addition to WhatsApp is if you want to leave a group chat, but you're too scared for everyone to see that you've left, well, you shouldn't worry anymore, because now only group admins can see that you've left and no one else will even know. Another nifty tip is if you're someone who likes sharing or forwarding funny photos and videos, now when you forward a photo like this meme over here, you'll actually be able to forward it with the original message attached. And speaking of messages, if you have a bunch of unread messages scattered throughout your WhatsApp, what you can do is just select the search icon and right over here tap on unread, and just like that, WhatsApp will quickly sort through all your messages and show you which ones you haven't gone through yet. And once you've read it, it will then remove it from that list. But now let's move on to some cool things you can do inside the brand new Updates tab. Now, the first thing you guys might notice is the status tab is now called Updates. And besides finding the usual status updates from your contacts, you'll now also see this new channel section, which is actually really cool. And if you tap on Find Channels, here you will see all the different WhatsApp channels available. You can even sort through them by most active or popular, and as you can see, there's a lot. These are kind of like WhatsApp chats where you can follow your favorite people like celebs, different companies, news, and all that jazz. And once you follow a few of them, then anything that the channel posts in future will show up here for you to check out, kind of like a status update. Inside each channel chat, you can also do things like mute or unmute them, share, or even unfollow them. And if you really wanted to, you can actually tap on the plus icon and start your own channel. Just choose your channel name, grab a quick profile pic, and a brief description, and that's pretty much it. But just keep in mind that channels are public and literally anyone can join it. And if you don't see any channels yet, then don't worry, you should be able to see them super soon. Now onto what's new with statuses. Let's say you're busy going through a few and you really like one. Well, now if you swipe up on it, you'll see a bunch of different emojis that you can actually use to reply to that status. Then your friend will receive a message showing that you liked their status using that emoji, which kind of actually reminds me of Facebook. You'll also find this brand new hidden status option where you can actually create a voice note as a status update. So if you ever just wanted to share your thoughts with your friends or family list, then this is probably the best way to do it. But if you want to specifically share something with just yourself, then there is actually one way to do that within WhatsApp. Now this is a really useful new feature. If you click on the chat icon right over here, you will actually see that you can now message yourself, which, believe it or not, is actually so useful because there's a lot of things you can do with this. For example, you can send yourself important notes, write out shopping lists, or even forward funny videos to yourself so that you can keep it all saved in one place. My favorite thing about this though is that you can actually keep people's numbers in here and then chat with them on WhatsApp without ever having to add their number to your contacts list. This is really useful if you just want to quickly WhatsApp someone and don't want to get your contact list all messy with a bunch of people's contacts that you don't need. But probably my favorite thing you can do with this is actually so easily send things from your computer to your phone or vice versa by just using this chat with yourself. I literally use this all the time and it is so much easier than dealing with a bunch of different cables, especially if your phone or computer are from two different brands. So by now, some of you might know about disappearing messages. Basically, if you go into a chat, you can turn on disappearing messages so that they automatically get deleted after a certain amount of time. But did you know that you can actually save those messages by just tapping and holding down onto them, then selecting this little icon right over here? This will keep them from disappearing, and you can find all those saved messages within the chat info under kept messages. But just keep in mind that when you do save a message, it's saved on both your phone and the other person's phone. And if you ever want to remove a kept message, you can just do the same where you tap and hold, select this little icon, and bam, it removes that message from yours and the other person's phone. I mean, after so many years, WhatsApp just keeps getting better and better, and there are still so many new features coming out, so make sure you stick around and sub to see that. But in the meantime, you can check out these two videos, and I'll see you in the next one. Toodles!